Welcome to Cloud Library, presented by the Fruitland Park Library. Using a phone or tablet, for an Apple product, go to the App Store. For an Android, go to the Google Play Store. To download the app for Cloud Library, click on the cloud that has the downward arrow. To confirm you have the correct app, the logo should look like the logo you see below. After clicking on the cloud, the blue circle will display the progress of the download. When the download is complete, click Open. The Cloud Library app will open to a welcome screen. Tap Select Language. When the language opens, scroll to locate the language you wish to use and tap on the language to select the language. The app will return to the welcome screen. Tap the screen to continue. To select country, state, region, and library, tap the different fields and a drop-down menu will open. Tap to select and the selection will appear in the appropriate field. Fruitland Park Library is part of the Lake County Library System. The final setup screen is accepting the End User License Agreement. Please read terms of use and the privacy policy, and if you agree, click Accept. Please enter your 13-digit library card number. Click Login. The first time you open Cloud Library, or if you do not have any borrowed books, it will open to this home page. If you already have a borrowed book or books, they will be displayed under Continue Reading when Cloud Library opens. To browse the trending ebooks and audiobooks, click All. Audiobooks will have a small headset in the upper right corner. Clicking Search opens several different options. When the screen opens and All has been selected, categories will be displayed. Scroll to see the different categories. You can filter the titles by content type. Click on the filter icon, looks like a funnel, tap a selection, and a check mark will appear confirming the selection. Tap Save when finished. Select Featured, scroll to display Coming Soon, Recently Added, Books selected based on age, and more. Favorites allow you to select genres of different subjects that you enjoy reading about. You can set your reading preferences by tapping Let's Go. Set your reading preferences. After clicking Let's Go, you will be asked to select the type of books you are interested in. When finished, click the Next in the upper right corner. A second screen will open where you can select your preferences. Click Save when finished. Your library controls the checkouts and the lending policies. This includes the number of days an item can be checked out and the number of books or holds you can have at any given time. Lake County Library System checkout period is 21 days. Items may be renewed provided there are no holds pending. A Renew button will appear in your My Books tab section at the bottom of the screen 3 days prior to your loan expiring. Also under My Books tab, to return a book early, simply tap the 3 horizontal dots next to the words Read, then select Return. You can have up to 10 holds at a time. After selecting a book, these options will be displayed. If an ebook or an audiobook is not available, the green Borrow button will be blue and say Hold. After tapping Borrow, you have the option of reading or returning the item. Save for Later saves a title for a later time, similar to a wish list for an online retail store. After tapping Read, the ebook will open. Scroll to the left to move to the next page. To close the book, tap anywhere on the screen and an X will appear in the upper left corner. Tap the X to close the book. After selecting an audiobook, you have several choices. You can borrow, save for later, or play a sample of the book. Tap Borrow to listen or return. You still have the option to save for later. After tapping Listen, the book will download. The download box in the middle of the screen will display the progress of the download. When download is complete, tap the play arrow. Home icon returns you to the opening screen. My Books displays a list of all the books you have borrowed. Search opens the search field. Tap each choice to select. Don't forget to select your choice of notifications. Notifications. Enable by sliding the button to the right if you wish to receive notifications. Digital hold pickups or emails. Please enter a valid email address. When you enable the Kids mode, the screen changes to enter a passcode. You can set a code or skip the password. Frequently asked questions. 1. How to enlarge the font. With a book open, tap the double A and a drop-down will open. Select Style of Font. Select the mode of lighting you would like. Select Scroll Mode. By default, it is set to scroll from right to left. Enabling the scroll mode and it will change to scroll motion bottom to top. Tap Advanced Settings for more options. On the home screen, tap Account and select Cards. Add another card by tapping Add New. Then select the newly added card or tap on a card already listed. Bookmark. When a book is open, tap the middle of the page to open the menu at the top of the page. Then tap the bookmark icon to create a bookmark icon. It will turn black when the bookmark has been successfully created. To retrieve a bookmark, bring up the menu again and tap the bookmark icon. When the new screen opens, tap the Bookmarks tab. A list of all of your bookmarks will be displayed. Tap the bookmark of your choice and the book will open to your bookmark. Once the book opens, tap the bookmark to clear the bookmark. Tap it again to create a new bookmark in a new location. If you do not clear the old bookmark, the next time the list is opened, it will show all the bookmarks assigned to that book. It is not necessary to log out each time. When you log out, you must re-enter all the information again, starting with what language you wish to use, what country, state, or region, select a library, and enter your card number again. Just close the app. When you return, it will still be open. Cloud Library is currently designed to work with tablets and devices such as Kindle Fire. At this time, Cloud Library is not compatible with Kindle Paperwhites. For more information, go online to https://www.yourcloudlibrary.com/frequently-asked/. For more information about the Fruitland Park Library, go to https://fruitlandparklibrary.org. This concludes the tutorial on Cloud Library. We hope you enjoyed it. For other tutorials by the Fruitland Park Library, please see Fruitland Park Library computer classes on youtube.com and facebook.com. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this tutorial, please call 352-360-6561.